Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Here we are on Tuesday. I don't know, did you catch the new customer video? That was a nice surprise to get another new customer. I have some more new customer contact here today, so who knows? We're here at our, I don't know what we call this one, the oldie but the goodie. I'm doing my route backwards today, so I'm trying to keep my voice down. It's 6:45 in the morning. We're in service mode and we're priming up here, and yeah, looking good. Let me put on the head cam. Okay, let's take our chems. We have a Pentair IC40 here, and we also sanitize with tabs in the spa. And we do that because, yeah, this is a big pool. It actually needs it. So, yeah, and this pool is often deficient of chlorine, which right now is no exception. So we have 29 to 2450 salt, and that's not obviously doing it. So, and I don't have any salt on the truck today, nor would I on a day like today. I mean, it's all over cloudy, and I added salt a couple weeks ago, but yeah, on a day like today, my readings are going to be really low. So we need to sanitize for today. I'm going to add some little chlorine here and there, a little liquid, and I'm going to add the tab to our floater here. Yeah. So all right, a fair amount of stuff in the pool. Okay, so surface of the pool looks pretty good. Just get a couple more things here. But so since this is such a large body of water, I do use the tile soap trick to do this. Just really essential on this pool. Doesn't really seem like it's up on a hill, but it actually is. And it gets quite a lot of dust and tree stuff from our good old palm trees. Love those guys. Alright, so now we're gonna move on to tile pad. And on this one, I'm not gonna just broadcast a little, and I'll just put a little on the tile. Okay. So, time to Tulsa 90 the spa. Hopefully we have enough battery power. Yeah. We are already flashing. Yeah, this pool gets, or I should say this spa. Oh, look at that, no more Tulsa 90. Boys and girls, Tulsa 90 is a wonderful product, but you have to charge it. And I did not. And that's completely on me. Okay, so let's go fetch what we will. Okay. Yeah, this is the 4-wheel drive Hayward pool cleaner. Does a really good job here for as much as I know that this pool gets. Now, when it comes time to replace, are we going to replace this with the Zodiac MX6? Most definitely. But until that time, this thing's doing pretty good. You saw it earlier. It was, or maybe you didn't see it, but it was jumping out of the water. So, okay. I feel pretty good about this, but I'm still going to brush. See, there he is. He's jumping out. Okay, I feel good about this. We're since we lost power on the Telsa 90, we had to do a spa section and brush in our bits. That we had some bits in the spa. It's all looking good right now. We're repriming it, or I should say refilling it, so it'll be spilling over. You know, not probably any need to run a timeout program, which on the Hayward Omni system is 3 hours, just like Jandy system or a Pentair system. But yeah, we're looking good and we can move on. Okay, we're here at the perfectly built kidney bean. Oh, and sorry, I didn't mention my GoPro head battery. The battery in my head GoPro died again. Dying batteries, it's a recurring theme today. But yeah, this pool looks great. The water looks pretty awesome. Never really seems to have much in it, but we've been fighting our chemical levels here, and it's been kind of on the low side lately. But anyway, okay, so I jumped around yesterday at the new pool and I tweaked my back. I'm moving really slow today. So anyway, we've hit the pump basket. Everything's all clean. Our pool RX is all devoid of junk. So we just check our schedules. We have 8 to 4, so okay. So anyway, once again, look how fast the pump primes almost immediately. Yeah. So here's the mystery, right? Now we'll come back in 5 minutes when this is done thinking about whether it has enough salt. But we took our salt here, and it was 3,800 to 3,400. Well within tolerances for our IC40. I think this is an IC40 that they put on this, which that's overkill, but that's fine. Anyway, I think things are looking on the up, but they definitely, when they swim, they shut off the pump. So that's just, and they take out the cleaner. So at least they put it back. I can't complain about that. I added a gallon of chlorine to sanitize for today, and I'm gonna brush up, but we can move on. This pool is almost solid state. Okay, we're here at a really long lap pool. I'm gonna try to keep my voice down because, you know, I have respect for other golfers. If these guys are going for a quadruple bogey, you know, I don't want to talk while they're putting. So anyway, yeah, 3 or 4 weeks in a row with no robotic pool cleaner. Anyway, so it looks like we are vacuuming today because the Telsa 90 is done. So I'm gonna just get it done here. Let's take some chems. Okay, so here are our chemicals, and we have lots and lots of chlorine and a very high pH for this pool. A very high pH period. That's like an 8.2. Alkalinity and cyanuric are good. So there is, you know, a salt cell here, and yeah, that's really low salt. Let's get the pump primed up, see if we get a green light, and then we'll go from there. Okay, I feel good about this. We can move on. We do have a green light here. So, regardless of what my meter said, 29 to 26, we're still producing chlorine, and we're good to go. Okay, it's been a really long day, and I just went out on another estimate, and let's see if we get that pool. Once again, the universe always gives me exactly what I need, not always what I want. Guys, if you got anything out of this, give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so, and comment if you got something to say. I'm the original swimming pool fiduciary working for you out here in the field. I'm the Angry Pool Man. You guys be excellent to each other, and I'll see you on the next video.